Our materials are rare and or unique. We have 16th century books, or maybe the first appearance of Spider-Man in the comic books. Special Collections and Archives at UCSC is the home of the rare and unique collections of the University Library and really the campus at large. Unlike a museum, where you go and see something usually under glass or in a frame, Special Collections is about physically handling the materials. We want these to be available to students for generations to come. And because of that, you have to come here into Special Collections. We're a very welcoming space to use the materials. We always have somebody at the reference desk when we are open, and we're here to work with you and guide you and give you an idea of what we have, talk to you about your interests. We have a lot of digitized content. We have over 40,000 images that have been digitized and are available online, and that collection continues to grow. You could be in your bedroom at 3 a.m. and start just going through old photographs of Santa Cruz County, old photos of the campus. We work really closely with our instructors and faculty to engage with them and to get them to think about Special Collections as a resource to help them teach students about primary research. In addition, we have a lot of pop-up events. So we have exhibitions throughout the year, some of which are student-curated. Usually at the end of the quarter, we'll have a pop-up zine making session or button making session with historical images. One, to get you in the space, but two, to also just give you a moment to decompress and sort of give yourself a break. If you are a student at UC Santa Cruz and you're wondering where Special Collections lives, we physically live on the 3rd floor of McHenry Library. If you come up the stairs after you enter the library, we'll be up on the left-hand side. You'll see exhibit cases outside of our space. And again, if we're open, our doors will be propped open. We are here to help, and we really want to share these materials with you. It is absolutely why we exist. It's why we build these collections. Have conversations, learn what resources are available to you while you're here, and just take advantage of it.